going on, everybody? It's Bynes here, and for this video, I'm finally getting around to the Chainsaw Man first ending. I'm gonna post this like right before I post episode 4, though, because I'm about to watch episode 4 right after this. But it's about time I actually watch this ending and record it. So here we go. Yeah, that's from the first one that I didn't get to see before. Okay, so this is gonna be a recap of the first episode. Yeah, it seems like it. This is why they didn't do any visuals for the first one. It makes sense though, because it was just like the black credits before. But yeah, this first episode. Also, oh wow, it actually says it. Okay, hold on. There is something I want to talk about. I don't know if I'll talk about it here and for the first. Like, first off, these endings have been bangers, but man, the the dub. Has anybody seen the dub for this show yet? Only the first episode is out or that I've seen, and Denji sounds nuts in English. He sounds terrifying, especially when he's laughing. Oh man. Okay, yep. Just a little. That's just a quick little video. I'm gonna post this as its own separate thing from the other episode. So, peace out, everybody.